Hey guys, I have some great news for you. So after watching today's video, you're going to have something that you can be applying towards your business daily that's going to help you grow and get to your first 100K. So the strategy or tactic that I'm going to be sharing with you today can really be applied to any business, but I'm going to show you some real live examples of this being applied on Shopify by some incredible brands, but also through my brands. I want to show you some of the things that I'm doing for my business that's allowed us to grow significantly in the last few months that are super, super simple. Any of you guys can do this and it's absolutely free. So let's get right into it. So first things first, we got Skin by Kim here. If you don't know this brand, this is Kim Kardashian's newest brand. It's a skincare brand, and as you see, it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, the branding is super clean. It's really interesting to see how Kim Kardashian has really created an aesthetic for herself. And now I notice it across all of her brands. It's actually really cool in my opinion. You know, everybody has their own opinion, and that's mine. But that's not what I wanted to show you in this video, however. What I wanted to show you in this video is something that caught my eye, which is the latest video that she posted on her Instagram. So on Instagram, Kim Kardashian has 344 million followers, which is absolutely ridiculous. But what's interesting is this new reel that she just posted on her feed, right? To her hundreds of millions of followers. It's literally just her applying some of the products that she has, right? Some of the products that she created. It's super simple, super raw, and authentic. And that's the basis of this entire tactic, is authenticity. So funny enough, authenticity is becoming a trend somehow. I don't know why. I think it's just because the world of social media was so glamorized for so long. And I think now people just need a breath of fresh air, and they really vibe with authenticity. They want to relate to creators. And this is what this video reminds me of. Now, anybody could have made a video like this. It probably took her 5-10 minutes to make this, and it has millions of views, and it will probably generate multiple six figures in sales alone. Now, let me show you how I've been applying that to my business, Akemi. So if you don't know, I run a company called Akemi. It's a performance agency where we help 7- and 8-figure Shopify businesses grow. However, we're really more like growth partners than an agency. We treat each client like our own business, and because of that, we can't take a ton of clients at a time. But what's really cool about that is that it allows me to actually build up a wait list of really interesting Shopify brands. Now, of course, this generates a lot of consistent revenue for my business, but I've been applying that same stuff that I just showed you on Kim's brand. And by the way, a lot of you guys may not know this, but this website right here is built on Shopify. So everything that I do is built on Shopify, every business that I create. And the reason why is because I love Shopify. I think Shopify is amazing. I'm a Shopify investor. I'm a Shopify partner, and I'm trying to be a pioneer for more service-based businesses to actually hop on Shopify and treat their business like an e-commerce business. That's what I've been doing, and it's been working really well. But here's the particular example that I wanted to show you. It's this video right here. So super raw and authentic, like every one of my videos. And what's funny is that I'm always just being myself, right? Like, I'm not doing this because it's trendy. I've just been doing me and being myself for a while, and I think it's starting to catch on a little bit. People do vibe with the stuff that I provide, the information that I provide rather, and the value that I give forward, but that's besides the point. What I want to show you here is this video that I made, right? This took me 10 minutes to make, and now it has 3K views, which is pretty great, right? I mean, I posted this for absolutely free, and it's driving traffic to my link in bio, which is then growing my business. But here is where this strategy gets very crazy. And personally, I've never seen an opportunity like this before. So let me just show it to you. What I did is then I downloaded this. So how you download a TikTok, by the way, is you just click this copy link, and then you go to tickmate.app, and then you paste the link right here, and you save it in HD. This is how you retain the quality on the TikToks that you download. So that's just a little tidbit of value right there for some of you that may have not known. And what I did is I decided to post that same exact video on my Instagram. So, my Instagram, I got my posts here. It's pretty clean. I don't really post too much on my feed, but I do post a decent amount of reels simply because I have the content. So what I've done is I posted that exact same video. I didn't change anything. I changed 0 things about the video. It's literally the same content. And on Instagram, it got 25K views. And I posted this yesterday. So this is in 24 hours. And keep in mind, these are high quality views since the content I make isn't for everybody, right? It's not for entertainment, really. It's just for insights for people that have businesses. That's the type of content I like to make. So that's really impressive for the niche that I'm in. And again, it didn't take me any more effort. It didn't really take any labor at all. It just was a simple repost on Instagram. Now, what's crazy about Instagram that a lot of you also may not know is that there's a setting whenever you post a reel that allows you to share the post on Facebook as well. So you can automatically post everything that you're posting on Instagram to Facebook. And let me tell you a little secret. Facebook Reels are absolutely popping off. They are super undervalued. And again, short form content is just insanely powerful right now, especially because of the nature of the content. It can be repurposed across all social media with little effort. So imagine how powerful this could be for your business, right? Creating content every single day or every other day or maybe once a week, whatever it takes for you to be consistent. This is stuff you can do for free, like I just said, and you can repost it across multiple social medias and really build your brand. You can also post this on YouTube Shorts. And then what I'm doing, since my Shopify business caters to other businesses, is I'm also posting this stuff on LinkedIn. Now, for your e-commerce business, because honestly, this strategy works the best for e-commerce businesses, what you want to do is find some amazing suppliers. So Alibaba.com is really where you can find incredible manufacturers all over the world. A lot of people sleep on Alibaba. I think it's because AliExpress just gets a bigger reputation through dropshipping, because dropshipping is like an easier alternative. But what a lot of people don't know is that but a lot of Alibaba suppliers actually are able to dropship your orders if you ask them. A lot of them even encourage it, or they don't encourage it, but they're available to do it. Like if your product has a 1-piece minimum order quantity, you can basically rest assured that they will be down to dropship your orders if you can pitch it in a way that's appealing to them. But that's not the point here. The point here is that if you actually have a product that you can showcase through content, that's going to be incredibly powerful. And that's something that you can do every day. So yesterday I gave the example of a gaming pillow, right? Or a cushion, because there's a lot of cushion brands that, have ergonomic cushions, but I've never seen a cushion catered towards gamers, even though gamers sit at their computers all day. So they could definitely benefit from a product like this. So let's say you're a gamer, right? You probably understand the pain points of gamers, the language of gamers, what appeals to them, right? Because you are a gamer. So what appeals to you, right? And then you can start a business by simply creating branding around this product, let's say one of these, and then creating content that specifically targets gamers. Now, again, if you do this on TikTok, you could literally start getting sales on day one and get sales consistently through just organic content. Now, I believe this is the best strategy to start your business. And the reason why is because it doesn't require any money except for the money that you need to invest into the product, which is like nothing, and into Shopify, which is also like basically nothing. And then you can actually build up some capital to run ads. So obviously, if you already have the capital, you can definitely run ads. It definitely makes sense to do so. But a lot of you guys, I'm guessing, don't have the biggest budgets to run ads, right? So you need to look for cost-effective ways that you can bootstrap your business. So that's why, if you've been keeping up with my channel lately, we created the Shopify Brand Starter Kit. So we created a subsidiary of the Akemi agency called Akemi Lab. And the reason why is because, again, I know that a lot of you guys are just getting started. You're not at a level where you need a performance agency, right? So you can't use a Akemi agency. And that's why we built something that would cater to you, that would help you out a lot. So basically what this is, just let me show you real quick. And by the way, this is a Shopify store. So it's just a digital product Shopify store. And somebody asked me in my last video what this actually entailed. So I just want to show you quick. Basically, it's an optimized Shopify template. So what that means is just like a template that is optimized, right? It looks very pretty. And all you got to do, it's put in the information of your products, whatever it is you want to sell. So it'll say benefit 1 here, benefit 2 here, benefit 3 here, put reviews here. It just basically has a nice framework for you to follow so that you're not overwhelmed with actually building your Shopify store. Then it comes with a productivity and goal tracker. This is just a little bonus that allows you to track your progress and stay consistent on some of these tasks that I just mentioned. For example, creating content for your product. And then it comes with some tutorials as well to get started. Things like how to customize your store, how to design your store better, how to use AI. So let me actually just show you some of this content. How to use ChatGPT to assist your store. So ChatGPT is really like a personal assistant nowadays, which is really cool. How to launch your Facebook ads, a little bit on scaling Facebook ads, campaign structure, some stuff that's actually super valuable and important, some fundamentals of building an online business, the art of selling online, some ways on how to actually find products and ideas to build a brand around, how to utilize color psychology for your website, how to find blue ocean opportunities, etc. There's 29 lessons in here so far. And yeah, you get all this for $50. So I wanted to make it super affordable for you guys, obviously, since again, I want you to spend your money on actually building your business, not on more information, especially when there's so much free information out there nowadays. It's really a great time to be building a business and to be building a side hustle even. So utilize this strategy. I promise you that if you post 50 TikToks, right, you're gonna learn something that works for your product. And then again, if you're reposting all of that across all other social media pages, you're gonna get something that works and you're gonna find something that you can replicate and capitalize on. So that's really about it for this one. That Kim Kardashian reel inspired this entire video. So shout out to Kim. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.